Before you hop on an e-bike, you will need to download the Zip Mobility app to your smartphone. You'll find it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It's really user-friendly and simple to register. Once that's done, you're ready. Now just go to the nearest designated bay to get the bike. Before you start your journey, have a quick look around the bike to ensure there is no damage and make sure there is sufficient air in the tyres. Once you have downloaded the Zip Mobility app and registered, you can then unlock the bike. When the bike is unlocked, you'll be able to ride the bike to your destination. There's no gears, it's just pedal and go. When you are riding, keep a safe distance from pedestrians and always ride responsibly. When thinking of your destination, it is important to think about the nearest designated bay at the location. You can see the locations of all bays on the council's website. Search for e-bike on pembrokeshire.gov.uk. When you've reached your destination and parked it at the designated bay, you'll need to ensure the bike is placed on the built-in stand. To end the ride, you open the app, click Finish Ride. You will then be required to take a picture of the bike in the designated area. Once this has been completed, you'll then stop being charged for the ride. That's it, all done.